Yes, our Assamese people, who was the first freedom fighter, he was from Assam. Assamese purely because he is from Assam. That's why, friends, I mean, our government, our Indian government should focus on Assam. How to develop our Assam, how to develop our Assam, they should focus that. Friends, that's why, and I would like to request to all educated person in our Assamese people, those are educated person in our Assam, they should focus on that, and they should analyze, they should protest. If government doing bad something, then they should, for that's our moral responsibility, They should, because we are the democratic, we are living in democratic country. That means what? We have all kinds of opportunity. Whatever we can do, we can change the government, we can make the government. And one kind of our youth said that, Mr. Jeevan, that we are the young stars. If we want, we can burn the nation. If we want, we can make the nations. We can change the nation. Friends, that's it. Now is the time. The time is for changing. The time is going on for changing. Our nations, our state want to change. Our situation want to change. Our people want to change because of government. Actually, yes, government has some limits for 5 years. Within 5 years, we cannot deny it. No, that's because, friends, now we have to change our government, because if our government are not doing something well, then we bound to change it, because without changing we cannot get well-being. If we want to make our society as a well society, then we should change it, friends. And the main point is that